Good morning, everyone, or good afternoon, everyone. Today, we are here to discuss a topic of immense importance.
Will AI replace our all human jobs?
Yeah, AI, once a concept of science fiction, has now become a transformative force shaping industries and our daily lives. While some view AI as a revolutionary tool that enhances human capabilities and creates new opportunities, others fear its potential to disrupt the job market and make many traditional roles obsolete. This debate is not just about technology.
It's about the future of work, society, and how we adapt to changes. On one hand, we have the promise of innovation and efficiency, innovation and efficiency, and on the other, the challenges of economic displacement and ethical consideration.
Let's explore both sides of this critical issue and understand whether AI will truly replace all human jobs or if it will simply transform the way we work. This introduction sets the tone, provides context, and creates balanced opening for the debate.
So, welcome back to yet another video of P and A education. So, today, what's our topic?
Our topic is, will AI replace human jobs?
Oh, that's a very interesting topic. So, as the moderator described us, we are doing a debate again. So, my name is Anand and his name is Pratik. So, today we are going to do another debate.
Anand is speaker number 2 and I am speaker number 1.
So, I'm protesting against AI, and he's saying that AI are the best and can replace human jobs. So, before starting our video, please like, share, and subscribe. So, let's start by speaker number 1. So, let's start. What do you like to say, speaker number 1?
Okay, so my topic is, will AI replace human jobs? So I think AI will replace.
Okay.
Okay, so let me say my first argument. Okay,
You may proceed.
okay. I was talking about technological advancement. So AI, artificial intelligence, are becoming increasingly sophisticated, capable of handling tasks that require cognitive abilities, creativity, and decision making. May I say some examples?
You may proceed.
Okay, so examples include, nowadays AI writing tools are there,
Like,
ChatGPT.
oh, now I know how you got the topic. You use ChatGPT, right?
Yeah. Okay.
So now, may I counter that point of yours?
Yeah.
So let's start by human creativity and emotional intelligence. AI struggles to replicate human intuition, creativity, and emotional intelligence, which are crucial in roles or jobs like teaching, consoling, and leaderships. So AI are weak in those components of life.
Okay. But what about fatigue? Humans get, exhausted. AI can operate 24/7. It's about cost effectiveness. Cost effectiveness leads to higher productivity as well as lower operational costs. What about that?
Yes, AI have some that limitations also, like AI relies on data and algorithm
Yeah, you are right.
and may fail in unpredictable situations. Some jobs requires cultural understanding, which AI cannot replicate easily. I know they can replicate, but it takes a lot of time to replicate.
Okay. As you are talking about limitations, yeah. AI working across industries,
Like,
like AI is being operated in virtually all fields.
examples.
Yeah, in transportation, self-driving cars like Tesla, and even in arts, even like AI generated music and paintings,
Oh,
and healthcare too,
oh,
robotic surgery.
oh. You may
Yeah,
proceed saying.
yeah.
So, ethically and social barriers. I'm going to say about that point. The society may resist full automation due to either ethical concerns such as loss of livelihoods and human dignity. Is that right or not?
It's right.
You may proceed.
It's about my argument is about reduction of human error. Do humans make mistake?
Yeah, they make mistake because they are living things, living beings or things, whatever.
AI can outperform human beings in tasks that require precision and accuracy, making it preferable in fields like engineering, finance and medicine.
Oh, I got a solid counter for that.
Okay.
So, human beings are animals, not robot. And AI is a robot. So, how can you compare an actual robot who is performing your tasks to a living thing? It is indirectly AI has more power than human beings. But you need human beings to make AI.
Yeah, we need human beings to make AI. I was just saying that AI and human beings are in the on the same level.
Let me tell my argument. Can I proceed?
You can. Yeah, you can.
So let's say one point, an interesting point. Need of human oversight. AI requires human oversight to development, maintenance, and ethical use. This ensures human beings remain part of the working force, isn't it? Workforce, isn't it?
Yeah, you're right.
So if there are no humans, or no humans are able to work, then AI cannot work.
You are talking about the limitations.
I already told about limitation. AI cannot perform tasks like emotions, support, etc.
Okay, but it's about automation trends.
Meaning,
Okay, automation trends means history shows us that technological advancements, like
like what?
Uh,
Nuclear bombs?
history shows us that technological advancements like the industrial revolution replaced many manual jobs,
Oh,
and
yes.
AI could do the same. On AI could do the same for knowledge-based jobs.
Like teacher, right? But
No,
they...
not a teaching. Tutoring. Yeah, you're right.
Oh, yes. Yeah, that's a good fact. But economic inequality is also a good point.
Yeah, you are right.
Let me talk about that.
Yeah.
So, if AI replace too many jobs, economic equality could increase, prompting governments to regulate AI adoption to protect employment. Oh, so many people will get unemployed. Yes, their hard work will go to waste.
Yeah. And let me say a point that favors your topic.
You may proceed.
Okay, so AI cannot work without electricity, without
No,
internet.
You are little bit wrong. AI cannot work without internet and electricity. Not that person kind of things. Yes.
But while the internet facilitates AI by providing vast data
Yes.
for training and deployment, many AI systems also work offline.
Yes, that's a true fact. But they need to be programmed very specifically. We need advanced algorithms to make it possible.
Yeah.
Till now, no AI tool has been released that can work offline. Yes.
Some AI tools are there, but we have to purchase the premium.
Yes. Premium, exclusive. Yes. That is not affordable by everyone. Yes. So, would you like to say the conclusion for this video now?
Yeah. But so in summary, in conclusion, the idea that AI will replace all human jobs is unlikely. Instead, AI will transform the job market, requiring humans to adapt to new rules and responsibilities. Yeah, the debate ultimately hangs on how society manages the balance between technological progress and human welfare.
So now let me say a good point for your also. Now the conclusion is done. But let me say one great point about
Are you trying to say middle ground perspective, something like that?
Yeah. While AI undoubtedly replaces some jobs, it is more likely to complement human roles rather than entirely replacing them. Systems where AI handles relative tasks and human focuses on creativity and decision making may dominate the future, isn't it?
Yeah, you said about collaborative systems where AI handles repetitive tasks.
Yeah, same thing.
Yeah, okay, I understood.
So in conclusion, it's your perspective again. As we are saying in last 3 videos, it's your same perspective. If you don't know about our videos, please share, please look at the previous videos and then you will know what are we talking about. Yes?
Yeah, every debate topic has a
Point of view.
yeah, like we did what we did last.
We did some videos on whatever topic.
Private school versus public schools.
Yes.
Please do watch that videos. It's about the point of view in
Yes.
all the debates.
It's about the point of view.
So let's end this video.
So this is the last video for this week. We are going out on a trip. So let's bye bye.